Hi, Japan travel by railways. And this is a video talking about my travel by only railways. And this time, station number 0, the prologue. Before starting travel, in Japan there's a lot of trains, and Japan is not to be very developed. Thinking about the trains, like Shinkansen, and this is the rail station running at the west of Japan, the Shinkansen and Spa Express, and this is the limited express running land and also in the west of Japan. It looks like a ninja, isn't it? Yeah. And this is and this is it looks like the car is Shinkansen, but it's not fast. It is not fast, but this is maybe a Shinkansen, Super Express, maybe. And then there's a lot of trains, lot of type of trains, and then there's a thousand of stations, and there's also a unique station is around there. And like this. This is a Koboro station. They around the station, there is no house, there is no people, no anyone can arrive at the station, only by trains. And this is coach station. And this is Utana station. Wow, it is looks very cold, and there is no station construction. It is only what is this? Yeah, I don't go there. I don't want to go to the bar in winter. Yeah, okay. And these stations are all connected by the web of railways. And many times these unique stations, this mysterious station is had by the JR, the Japan Railways, in before that is by the National Railways of Japan. Okay. And then this time I made a plan. I made a big plan by traveling a lot of stations and traveling by a long time by railways. And then this plan is so like this. The traveling plan. The traveling plan is not very sincerely, but it looks like this. From the northeast station, start Wakana station. That is not to be the northeast station in Japan, and then goes like this red line, and then last go is Makurazaki station, around like there maybe. This is not to be this is not a northeast station, but around there, the northeast station, Nishi-Oyama station is around there. So, maybe you understand. This travel is starting at the northeast station and goes to the southeast station in Japan. Okay, you understand. And this time we go through a lot of lines in Japan. And in Japan, and there is a lot of railways and there's a lot of railway lines, and that is separated from the separating, and it has a name. It has a name, that place name, or the old name of the place, and that region. And I went through, via, uh, Soya line, Hakodate line, Roland line, SSC line, Kaikyo line, Tsugaru line, O line, Gono line, West line, Hakushin line, Shinetsu line, Banetsu Sai line, Tohoku line, Joban line, Tokaido line, Sanyo line, Kagoshima line, Hisatsu line, and Ibusuki Makurazaki line. Okay, you understand? You understand? No? Okay, repeat after me. Okay, repeat after me. Soya line, and that is Hakodate line, Rodan line, Esashi line, Kaikyo line, Tsugaru line, O line, Gono line. Okay? Maybe. Oh. Okay. I'll stop. There's a lot of lines. Maybe you are complex and puzzling. But maybe you understand. It is a very long travels. Maybe you understand. Okay. Then next time I will talk about my travel for about 6 or 7 videos. Then okay. Let's start the travel in Japan by railways. Thank you very much for listening. This video is by Masahiro Umemura. Goodbye.